G'day everyone, Uncle Jojo, welcome to another Rip Roaring episode. Today I've got a treat for you gals and guys out there. We've got another DeWalt Flexi tool. It's the DCS577 Rip Saw, or Push Saw is what I like to call it. I used these when I was over in the States and Canada, very common. Europe, not so common. Australia, not so common, really being introduced. This is the second time I've had the opportunity to use this push saw, and it is fantastic. It rips through big, hard, heavy timbers like red gum, spotted gum, some other bits and pieces. Plus, it's versatile. We can use it on the work site, we can use it for landscaping, and we can use it in the factory if we're reclaiming some big timbers. Very similar to the Skil saw, or circular saw is what we like to call it on the planet of Oz. Magnesium base, nice and thick, heavy duty, really good. My guide slips in, again, super quick and easy, no problems. Depth of cut, on a full 90 degree, we've got 65mm, which is 2.5 inches, just over. And then on the angle cut, or the 45 degree, we've got 45mm, or just under 2 inches. Dust extractor, it's okay. It does spit out a bit of the hard, heavy stuff, not so much on the easier stuff like Vic Ash, Tassie Oak, that kind of stuff. The angle, super quick. You just move that, your guide spins around. Really nice, really easy. Nice little touch that I've seen of this off DeWalt, and I want to say thank you very much, DeWalt. This little lip here that we've got, this little lip here on the adjustable saw guard is fantastic. It just gives a little bit extra, so when I'm sliding it through, it actually grabs straight away on the material. I don't have to adjust it by trying to lift this up to cut through. I can just push it straight through the material, it grabs on that and it spins around. That was one of the biggest awesome features I found. I could always use two hands on this saw. With the guide, the weight of it, the weight of it is something that we need to talk about. It is a very heavy saw, and with the batteries as well, the FlexVolt batteries, it makes it very heavy for a circular saw. That weight though can work for us in the positive as well as the negative. The positive side of it is that extra weight helps us rip through those big heavy timbers. We were doing some sleepers and stuff, it smashed through them like it was nothing else. It's a bit awkward though when I'm trying to do some delicate cuts, and I wouldn't be using this saw for delicate cuts. I'd only be using it for the hard, heavy stuff. The saw, the handle in the middle is super awesome town. I can hold that and push with it, and it's got really good guide straight through. Another good little feature of this is the rafter hook. If I'm doing framing and I need a rafter hook, I pop that out, I can stick that straight over. If I'm climbing down the ladder and I want two hands, I can flick that out, and that just flicks away. It's really nice, very easy to use. Safety features are the same on the other one. You just push your little safety button over as you pull the trigger, and that works beautifully straight away. Saw blade's the same when we're changing our saw blade. And the little tool to change the saw blade just tucks away in the back here. So it's not in the way, quick and easy. Press your button, bish bash bosh, saw blade comes out. Thanks DeWalt. Nice, easy, compact. What would I give it out of 10 nails? Let's see if we nailed it. So, for cost, $500. Not bad. If I was a landscaper or somebody that was doing big heavy cuts all the time on site, I'd have no objection paying that money. I'm gonna give it for cost, at $500, not a bad choice. I'll give it a 7.5. For portability, unreal for portability. I can move it around all of the frame, all of that kind of jazz. Very, very good, very handy. And being able to just change those batteries as long as they're FlexVolt, unreal. I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10 nails for that. For accessibility, being able to buy it in all the different places, it's unreal to be able to access. And any good supplier is selling the DeWalt Flexi tools at the moment. I'm gonna give it out of 10 nails, a 9 nails out of 10 nails for that. An overall score on all of that, I'm going to give it a 7.5 nails. Did they nail it? Oh, it was so close. They just didn't nail it smack on. Pretty damn close though. Thanks to DeWalt, really enjoyed the saw. Any questions or queries from anyone out there, please flick them over. I'll answer them for you best I can, whenever I can. Thanks for watching, and like always everyone, stay unreal, banana peel, and I'll see you in the suit.